Hey y'all, 2004 Toyota Sienna here today. We've got a noise up front. I'll show you that noise that we're gonna be fixing. So when we turn the steering wheel, see if we can get it to do it here. So it didn't make it go in this direction. We're gonna go the other direction. You probably heard that one really good. Let's do it one more time. One more time there. So I'll show you what that is. So underneath this windshield cowling is gonna be your plate, your top plate for the, hold on, the light. For the strut here is a plate up in there, and we need to replace that. Now if your ride isn't very good, you'll just want to replace the whole assembly, but if it's okay, you'll want to just replace this top part. Alright, so we're going to need to take this black cover off here to get to this 14 millimeter. See if I can see it there. Yeah, I'll just roll around. 14 millimeter. Once you take that off, you'll take this off. Make sure you want to see where exactly they're lined up so you can put the windshield wiper blades back down there. 14 mil off. Pull this off. Might have to wiggle a little back and forth. There you go. If you're afraid of losing these caps or the nut, just go ahead and put them back on the threads and there. Actually, this cap doesn't clip on there. It actually clips on this bolt if you want to do it that way. It's kind of loose in my opinion, but however you want to do it. So along the bottom right here, you're going to have these little push tabs. They're going to get squeezed in or pushed up so that can go up. And there's a bunch of them along here. Another one right there. And all the way down through. Get those up and that should start to come up. Little screwdriver or pick would work well. Plus needle nose might work as well. The needle nose, you want to pinch it and then push up. If you're using the little screwdriver, you're just going to push in. Kind of push up at the same time as you're pushing that front part in. That's what those clips look like from the side. Once you start getting them all out, this should start coming up. There's rubber grommets here in the corner. Those will be fitting in those eyelets. You'll have to get those out. Like so. There you go. Then you can just slide this whole thing out of the road, move it down or wherever. Now as you can see, you have access to the top bolts, but we're working on the driver's side. Should still be able to get to some things, but if you want, I might be taking out, probably have to, take some of these mounting bolts out here. This is the part we're trying to get to. Part number SM5423. I got this one off of eBay. Now, this is not OEM. I'll put links to OEM's one as well. I think this is going to be just as good as made in India. So it's not like China. It's not the real cheap ones off Amazon. I don't know for sure, but I don't know. We'll see how long it lasts, and I'll let you know. So it's going to end up being the 10 mil for these bolts here.